Big news from India's Parliament. On April 4, 2025, the controversial Waqf Amendment Bill sailed through both houses, igniting a firestorm of reactions. The Rajya Sabha gave it the green light with 128 votes to 95 in the early hours of Friday, just a day after the Lok Sabha's approval. Now it's off to President Draupadi Murmu for her final assent. Congress MP Jairam Ramesh fiercely opposed it, branding the bill unconstitutional and promising a Supreme Court showdown. He vowed the grand old party would keep resisting what he calls assaults on India's constitution by PM Narendra Modi's government. Samajwadi Party's S.T. Hassan went further, dubbing it an unconstitutional experiment targeting the Muslim community, hinting at a deeper conspiracy. TMC MP Sagarika Ghosh mourned it as a dark day for India's religious freedoms, while BSP chief Mayawati criticized the government's rush, suggesting more public consultation was needed. She warned of misuse and pledged support for Muslims if it happens. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah celebrated the passage as a historic victory, ending decades of corruption and ushering in justice. PM Modi echoed this, calling it a watershed moment for socio-economic fairness and inclusion, especially for the marginalized. BJP's Jagdambika Paul, chair of the bill's joint committee, claimed Muslims were grateful, dismissing opposition protests as divisive flops. From cries of betrayal to cheers of reform, the Waqf bill has split the nation. Is it progress or overreach? Stick around for more with Salar Digital. Like, comment, share and subscribe.